Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. In additional of the weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, July the 20th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, July the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. Jigsaw Sudoku, this will be number 8941. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve that puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already given, so that box should be a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me check for triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see one quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape for the quadra box, is always a 5. Only for the quadra box, not for a penta box. Yeah. No quadra boxes anymore. No, only one quadra box. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Yeah. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Here. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Same for this shape. The same shape. This box has the same number as that box. More, yeah, here. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And then we have the last shape, the L shape, rotated. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh, almost draw this in the wrong box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. And why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. And this box is connected with that box. So 1 and a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. This box can be 4. But also this box can be a... Oh, wait. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. Then let me see. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. This box can be 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. Come on. We have a double 1 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. If you place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this W area shape could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. Let me think. We go up. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Could be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2. I need a 3 in this area. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This box is connected, but we already have a 5 here in the same area, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. It's connected with that box, should be so 3. Okay, 1 box left for number 5 then. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. 2 and 5, okay. 1 and a 2. That means that I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. And now, these two boxes can be a 5. So, and that box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Oh, it's not the solution to place the 5 there. If you place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So not a solution to place the 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be here. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4. Well, these two boxes, so and the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 3, 4, 5. Well, this box can be 3, 4, or 5. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and the 2. Alright. Well, 1, 2, 5, 3 or 4 here. I'm thinking. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there. It can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Could be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3 here. Okay, and now need also 1 and a 2 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. Sorry, can it be 1, double 1 there, could be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. That means that those two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 in this quarter box because it can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, yes, definitely a 3 here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Now we have a double 1 there, that means that this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So if eliminate here the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 and a 2, okay. Then these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. This box can be 1, and these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this W area shape should be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, these two boxes can be 4, so the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3 in this area. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 3. 4 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated there the 5, so the 5 goes there. And the final number in this T-shaped area for number 3. Finished in 16 minutes. We solved again. And I like this one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Sunday.